How to turn off recommend me to my friends settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off recommend me to my friends settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here just click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, privacy. Click on it and just scroll down until you find this one, don't recommend me to my friends. Just turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.